When you're planning a home renovation in Austin, clearing out the space beforehand is one of the most critical steps. Whether you're remodeling a single room or undertaking a whole house makeover, furniture removal is essential for efficiency, safety, and peace of mind. Professional Austin furniture removal services are designed to make this process seamless, saving you time, energy, and potential headaches. Why furniture removal is essential before renovation. Renovations often involve dust, debris, heavy tools, and frequent foot traffic from contractors. Keeping your furniture in the work zone risks damage from construction materials such as paint, sawdust, and tools. Obstructions to workflow, slowing down your contractors. Safety hazards for workers and residents moving through the space. Removing furniture before work begins ensures a clutter-free environment, allowing renovations to progress smoothly while protecting your belongings. Benefits of professional furniture removal in Austin. Saves time and energy. Instead of spending days moving couches, beds, and cabinets, a professional team can handle the heavy lifting in a fraction of the time. Their training and equipment make the process faster and safer. Safe and damage-free handling. From wrapping fragile pieces to maneuvering bulky items through tight spaces, removal experts ensure your furniture remains in top condition. Many Austin services also offer temporary storage options, keeping items safe until your renovations are complete. Eco-friendly disposal and donation. If your renovation is an opportunity to downsize or upgrade, furniture removal companies can help responsibly dispose of old items. Many partner with local charities to donate usable pieces, or they recycle materials to reduce landfill waste. Flexible scheduling. Professional removal services in Austin understand renovation timelines can shift. They offer flexible scheduling, including same-day or weekend pickups, to keep your project on track. What to expect from a furniture removal service in Austin? An on-site evaluation. Most companies will visit your property or request photos to assess the volume, type, and condition of the items. Transparent pricing. Expect upfront quotes based on the size and complexity of the job, with no hidden fees. Professional equipment. From dollies and straps to padded blankets and moving trucks, teams come fully equipped to handle furniture of all shapes and sizes. Loading and transport. Once everything is removed, the crew will either store, donate, or dispose of your furniture as requested. Tips for a smooth furniture removal during renovation. Plan ahead. Book your removal service before renovation work begins to avoid delays. Sort items in advance. Decide what you want to keep, donate, or discard so the crew can work efficiently. Communicate special instructions. If certain pieces require extra care, let the team know ahead of time. Coordinate with contractors. Ensure removal is completed before construction crews arrive. Final thought. Furniture removal is more than just a moving task. It's a key step in ensuring your Austin renovation is safe, efficient, and stress-free. By hiring a professional service, you protect your belongings, streamline the renovation process, and even contribute to the community through donations. Whether you're updating a kitchen, expanding a living space, or giving your home a complete makeover, a reliable Austin furniture removal team can make all the difference in starting your project off right.